Hey crypto enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something truly revolutionary for you in the world of crypto trading, Gamma Aspect. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest strategies and insights to elevate your trading game. We all know the crypto market is dynamic and relentless. Trading never stops. Keeping track of countless coins can feel overwhelming, especially when you're just starting out. That's exactly where Gamma Aspect comes into play. Imagine having a state-of-the-art AI trading assistant by your side, meticulously analyzing market trends, executing trades with precision, and providing you with actionable insights in real time. Gamma Aspect isn't just another auto trading tool, it's your personal crypto mentor. It's designed to empower you, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. And with its sleek, intuitive, web-based interface, you can access it on any device, anytime, anywhere. Now, what really sets Gamma Aspect apart is its cutting-edge AI technology. The platform decodes complex market signals and transforms them into detailed, data-driven analysis, helping you make smarter, more profitable decisions. With fully customizable settings and a risk-free demo mode, you can experiment with different strategies without any financial risk before going live. Supporting all the major cryptocurrencies you love, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to Ripple and beyond, Gamma Aspect offers a comprehensive trading experience. Setting up your account is a breeze. Simply visit the official website, complete a quick registration, it only takes a couple of minutes, and deposit a minimum of €250 to get started. Best of all, there are no hidden fees for deposits or withdrawals, and your funds remain entirely under your control, protected by top-tier security and advanced encryption. Now, a word of caution. As Gamma Aspect gains popularity, some scam versions and fake clones have started circulating, promising unrealistic returns. Always be vigilant and register only through the official website. I've included the authentic link in the description below. Don't risk your hard-earned money on imitations. Once you're set up, just tell Gamma Aspect what level of assistance you need and let it work its magic, analyzing market movements, executing trades, and giving you that competitive edge you've been looking for. So, are you ready to transform your trading approach and unlock your profit potential? Click the official link in the description below to join Gamma Aspect today. If you have any questions, drop a comment below, and be sure to hit the like button if you're excited about taking your crypto trading to the next level. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy trading.